I once spent 4 hours building a budget spreadsheet with 31 categories. I quit it in 9 days. That's the problem with budgeting. We make it so complicated that we never actually start. So today, we're not building a spreadsheet. We're building a budget on one piece of paper in 15 minutes, and it's going to stick. Let's go. Here's what I learned the hard way. Budgets don't fail because you're bad with money. They fail because they're boring. Tracking every single coffee? Boring, quitting by week 2? Predictable, so we're doing the opposite. 1 page, 5 steps, 0 guilt. Follow along, grab a pen and paper right now. Step 1. How much money actually lands in your account every month? Not what you hope to make, what's really there. Your salary, side hustle income, or anything else you regularly receive. Write that number at the top of the page. That's your starting line. And no judging the number, we're just getting honest. Step 2. List your fixed costs. Rent, utilities, phone, subscriptions, loans, the bills that show up no matter what. Add them all together. This is your no-choice pile. And here's the twist. Once you see it in black and white, you stop guessing. That alone is worth more than any budgeting app. Now the fun part. Whatever's left, split it 3 ways. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. That's the 50-30-20 rule. And here's why it works for beginners. You don't have to track every single dollar. You just check the bucket. Give every dollar a job, that's it. No more guessing. But hang on, don't start your budget yet. Because the last 2 steps are the part almost nobody gets right. And they're the reason budgets actually stick. Stay with me, this is where the magic happens. Step 4 is the mindset flip. The moment your paycheck lands, move that 20% out first. Not last. First, and automate it. Set the transfer for payday the same day every month. Here's why: when it's automatic, you can't talk yourself out of it. Save first, spend what remains. Future you says thanks. Final step. 5 minutes, once a week. Sunday evening, take a quick look at your buckets. Did you overspend on wants? That's okay. Adjust next week. This isn't about being perfect. It's about staying aware. A budget you check weekly beats a perfect budget you never look at. Ever, so here's the whole thing in one breath. Write what comes in. List your fixed costs. Split the rest 50-30-20. Pay yourself first. Check it weekly. 1 page. 5 steps. 15 minutes. That's your first budget, no spreadsheet required. Now it's your turn. Grab that pen and do it right now. It's 15 minutes. Then come back and comment 1 word, done. I want to see this comment section fill up with done. That's how I know it worked. And if this helped, hit like so another beginner finds it. Subscribe for 1 new money hack every week. Your budget starts in 3, 2, 1, go, and when you're done. Watch this next, the 3 budgeting mistakes that kill your progress before it starts. I've made all 3. You don't have to.